From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for December 19th, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus Swiss franc, for today's trade analysis. Now, of course, as we look at the charts, I put these shaded areas on my charts as areas of decision where we're looking for the market to make a consistent trading decision. One of two things is going to happen. Either the market's buying or selling at one of these colored shaded areas that you see on my chart. Specifically, we're going to look at the orange shaded area right around 98.35, 98.50. That's up here, bottom of this black box that you see, top right hand corner of the chart. Let's go ahead and zoom it in on that. And as we zoom it in, we can see consistent market behavior. Historically, we've seen resistance at this orange shaded area, and I'm just going to take a black X and put it to the left hand side. We've seen resistance here before. Not too far after that, we see some more resistance, and eventually, of course, breaking through and moving higher. Then it came down and found support around this orange shaded area right here. I put another black X right in the middle of the chart where the market found support. Same area, bounced up, and eventually getting underneath it, and for a period of time here found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of resistance here again, eventually breaking up and went higher. Now we're at support again, 1, 2, 3, 4 days inside the black box showing support. So we know that there's one of two things, and historically this is all that's happened. It either bounces off it, goes back up as support, or it breaks through and continues to go lower like it has in the past, and then it becomes resistance. So 98.50, 98.35, the orange zone is our major area to focus our attention on today. Let's zoom it in one more time. So as we look at it, we're looking for signs and evidence of, or price action that indicates one of those two things. Either it's going to bounce off of it, go back up, or it's going to break through it and go down. We need price action and evidence that shows those two things. We need it to get underneath 98.35. Once it gets underneath 98.35, it increases our confidence that it's going to go down to the pink zone. So it hasn't done that yet. Nothing has changed. For the past 4 days, 5 days, it has found support here, and nothing has changed. It hasn't gotten underneath 98.35. So that's the first thing that we would watch for. It to finally go bearish, get underneath 98.35, and then we target back down to the pink shaded area. So that becomes a potential short opportunity. If it can't do that, we're going to watch for support and reversal clues. Price action indicates that buyers are stepping back in and going to do what it's done before and drive it back up to at least the purple zone, if not even higher towards the blue zone like it did back here. So let's go ahead and take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. And as we get down here, let me zoom out one time, we can see historically, again, the blue circles here show us what it did before. We found support, bounced up, found support, bounced up. So here we are again, looking for price action and clues that indicate one or the other actions. Either it breaks through, which obviously it hasn't done, or it bounces off and goes back up. This smaller body, long wick on the bottom, may be a first clue that we're looking at some buying pressure here. We're looking at an infusion of buy orders. So once it gets back above 98.50, this may be our clue that we're looking for it to start heading back towards the purple shaded area today, or higher towards the blue zone at the top of the black box in the chart. But we're looking for all that to happen and occur right around the orange shaded area today, 98.50, 98.35 for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.